welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cloud dough or moon dough. People can call it anything, but some people like to call it moon dough, and it's really nice and soft. And the difference between Play-Doh and cloud dough is that cloud dough is a lot more softer, and Play-Doh is a bit harder sometimes. So let's get started. Okay, so the things that you will need is 1 cup of corn flour, half a cup of lotion, but remember to ask your parents before you use some lotion, and also some food colouring, any colour, and then a spatula to mix everything together. So let's get started. So the first step is to mix all of your ingredients. So you're going to take your 1 cup of corn flour and put it in your bowl. And then you're going to take your half cup of lotion and put it in as well. It might not come out at first, but you can use a spatula to scrape it out. And then you're going to add some food colouring. And then you're going to mix them all together. And if you think that your mixture is really crumbly, then you can always add some more lotion. Now we have mixed in our mixture thoroughly. Now I'm going to take my hands and knead it really well. Okay, and this is what cloud dough or moon dough, some people call it moon dough, looks like. See, it has this wonderful texture. And the difference between Play-Doh and cloud or moon dough is that cloud dough is a bit more softer than Play-Doh. So it's really nice and soft, and it has a nice texture. And you can even put things like glitter or beads or anything you want inside. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.